Are you an educator looking for free, engaging, classroom-ready climate resources? Explore SubjectToClimate, your connector to free climate resources for all K-12 subjects. Dive into our teaching materials and explore topics like plastics or renewable energy. Start with a quick activity to introduce the concept. Build on it with comprehensive lessons or unit plans. Enhance your teaching with resources from our trusted partners, like the American Red Cross, the Nature Conservancy, earthday.org, and more. Make real-world connections through our student news articles. Utilize our teacher guides to easily integrate resources with tips and real teacher advice. Need support? Sign up for our free Teacher PD to boost your confidence in teaching climate change. Explore more. Visit SubjectToClimate.org for free and vetted resources.